Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to get Mora in Genshin Impact. So to get Mora in Genshin Impact, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. When adventuring across Genshin Impact, open world player will want to have plenty of Mora at their disposal, as the currency is crucial for leveling up characters and taking on tougher challenges. So there are several ways to get the currency, but in this guide we'll narrow down the best method. In order to get Mora in Genshin Impact, first of all you need to explore treasure chest. After that you need to go to expeditions, exchange Anomi Sibylle, and you also need to go and kill the high level mobs, and you need to complete the challenges in the Spiral Abyss. Then have to move on with the adventure book chapters, and once you've done with that, then you can go and open the Northland Bank chest. If you wish to maximize your party's combat effectiveness and unleash their true potential, then you'll need to spend a fair amount of Mora. These upgrades can get particularly cost in the late game, especially if you're trying to manage multiple upgrade as well. By following this step, you should be able to get Mora in Genshin Impact. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.